welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you four new fidgets that I got. But before this video starts, make sure to go subscribe to Caitlin Long and my friend Alina's new channel. I'm pretty sure it's out, and don't forget to subscribe to me. Now let's get started. So first I got this really cute dog fidget stress ball, and yeah, it's like a needle. I really like it. It's really cute. Then I have this splat ball. I really like it. It's pretty cute. It's cool. It's fun. Yeah. And then I have this pumpkin stress ball as well, which I really like, and it lights up, which is pretty cool too. Then I have this Disney Poppet, which the pops are really good. Here's on the good side. It's really cute. It comes with this blue keychain. It's really pretty. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe to Caitlin Long and Alina and me. And I have my costume ready. I'm going to be... Guess what I am? Have you guessed? I'm going to be this character called Beetlejuice. And yeah, I'm really excited. Bye guys!